They know I'm the shit, so I said I'ma turn up. Niggas be all on my dick, so you know me, I gotta keep me a burner. We some real ass niggas, some G-ass niggas, they could never hurt us.
Hey guys, it's Anaya. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And as you can see by the title, today I am going to have my best friend basically do like a talk over of me getting my wig installed and all of that. So he's gonna be taking control of the video or whatever. And yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down what y'all want to see and stuff like that, because I don't be having no ideas. Like, I really don't. So make sure y'all do that. In the description box, all my videos are going to be there. So make sure y'all go tune into that. And I dyed my hair, guys. Y'all can't really see it right now, but it's like orange-ish ginger. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so this video was also sponsored by Elva Hair. They sent me a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It was straight Brazilian hair, and it was 150 density. I'm also gonna add a picture because it wasn't really like a 13x6 frontal, and it was also a Swiss lace, so I never worked with that before. But you guys are gonna see, like, the hair quality was really nice and I liked it. I was just struggling to open it. They sent me a rat tail comb, like a regular comb, and they also sent me, as you can see, the wig caps.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap and flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the quick 17, nobody.
Okay guys, so the hair also came pre-plucked and it really looked natural. Like, as you're gonna see later on in the video, it was barely plucked, but I would recommend this hair. I tried it on myself to see how it looked. The hair color is 1B. I never got my hair color that dark, but I really liked it. The hair was also 20 inches. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but yeah, this hair was a 10 out of 10. You guys should definitely go shop with Elva Hair. The link to this hair will be in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm gonna just give the phone to my bestie.
Alright, man, it's your boy Playware out HBK out on Snap Ross Shiesty. Man, y'all niggas know me, man. Okay, so he started with a 9. Bro, I don't even know what the fuck she doing, but she getting her natural hair laid down, I guess. I have no clue what's going on, bro. Shit. I know y'all see how small the meeks are, bro. She ain't getting no wig for no reason now, bro. Alright. So we watching, she cutting the wig off. Okay, my son Nile on the hair, man. Make sure y'all don't forget, man. Yes, sir. Okay, you got, she gluing it down. Okay, melt. Okay. Oh my god. No, I got no clue what's going on, bro. Bitch looks scary. That's all I know. Yeah, bro. She covering that big ass forehead. Alright, it's time to cut this shit now. Yes, sir. Okay. Bro, she cutting around the edge, making it nice. Bro, is she covering the lace? Okay, I think it's called a lace, right? It's called a frontal or lace. I don't know. I do not know the difference at all, boy. Alright, you covered what the fuck? But I thought it was supposed to be glued down. So I guess Nala is fixing the hair. She placing glue, I think it is. Yeah, I gotta be glue. Wait, so y'all tell me, all y'all bitches, when y'all be having that, it's held up by glue, bro? Nah. Nigga, thank God I'm a boy and I don't gotta do none of this bullshit, bro. Alright, so it's getting pasted down. I think that's what they call the melt or something like that. Alright. Okay, it's coming together now. It's coming together. Yes, sir. And you got, bro, what the fuck is going on? I'm sorry, bro, I do not know what's going on, but she putting on a headband right now, covering the face. Okay, pretty sure the headband's supposed to like make sure the glue is sticking. Maybe, I don't know, bro. I don't do hair, bro. I'm not a boy for no reason, bro. Alright, and then you parting it. I'm pretty sure now I did a middle part, if that's what it's called. And then you parting these sides. Okay. Man, look at my son Nala, man, going to work, man. Yes, sir, man. Okay, then comb it down. I think that's either a comb or one of them flat irons. I do not know the difference. I know nothing about girl hair. I do not even know why I'm doing this YouTube video. Then she's okay. It's coming together now, but that forehead is booming, boy. I have no clue what's going on, but I'm pretty sure this is like right before the ending. But the only thing I know, she got no edges right now, and I know that shit gotta get fixed. That's one thing I do know. Alright, so bro, bitch put on lip gloss matte, bro, mid video, bro. Bitch be fiending, bro. Okay. Then I think Nyla took out the hair and is trying to like now do the edges now, I think, or whatever it's called. She curling down the back. She combing it right now. Okay. Then yo, bitch look mad Indian or some shit, bro. Okay, she cutting the edges on both sides. But I'm not sure if that's edges or if that's going with the actual hair, bro. But I'm pretty sure that's edges, and then you like curl it down after. Yeah. But I got this shit, bro. Alright, so she's currently cutting the edges, cutting off the ending part of it. And then after this, I'm pretty sure she's gonna go back to like making sure the normal hair looks good enough. Bro, so is that not the edges? Cause she put the headband back on. Bro. And then you Corvette. Hey, yes sir. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Nah, nobody wanna see this, bro. Get to the point, bro. Nigga, this is the part of the video where niggas skip like past, like, bro. Damn, that bitch Jordan is ugly. God damn. So next part, I'm pretty sure Nala is gonna curl the sides of her hair on the edge, and then she's about to, after this, she about to take off the headband probably, and then curl it back up again. Bro, this shit look like it take mad long, bro. Haircuts is like anywhere from like 20 to 30 minutes, bro. No nigga is sitting in a chair for this long, bro. Alright, the next part we got. Okay, now she getting to edges. See, now she getting to edges. She curling it with a flat iron, and I think after this you like paste it down with like glue or some shit, and then yeah. Alright, then this bitch is mad loud, bro. Fuck. And then, bro, what's next, bro? I'm sorry, bro. I'm mad confused right now. And then now I think she pastes it down, and then she curls it. Yeah, okay, I got this. So she basically just now, for everybody else who doesn't know, she curled the edges first, took out extra hair, and then curled it, and then she pasted it. And look at that. Look, see, bro, I be know what I'm talking about, bro. I just be playing dumb, bro. I be know what I'm talking about, bro. And then, so she doing the size now around it, bro. Bitch mad fat, fuck, bro. And then, okay, see, now it's coming together. So she curling, and then she gonna, after this, she gonna probably let the curls fall or whatever bitches call it. Yeah, let the curls fall. Alright, let's see, bro. This bitch, no, bro. Like, there's no reason you should be eating mid video, bro. That's OD. Okay. I'm still confused, but all I know is it's coming together and it's looking nice. So I'm guessing that now she's about to do what she's doing to that little part of Anaya's hair all around her entire head, I think. Yeah. See, I'm on to this shit now. Alright. So on to the next part. Bro, bro, she's eating at least like 4 different fucking meals. Oh, bro, it could not have taken that long to where you gotta eat while you're getting it. Bro, that's OD, bro. That's OD, bro. Okay, and the curls falling. I think it's time for the other side. Ooh. Hey, God, that shit look tough. And then she's spraying it to give it that nice extra effect, I guess. And then, yeah. Let's see. And she combing it down. Bro, who texted me, bro? I'm sorry, but it be mad bitches on my phone on a day-to-day basis, y'all. I'm sorry, man. Yeah. Let's go. So I think this is the final product, unless I'm tweaking. But if this is a final product, this is a great final product. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir, man.
Okay, guys, so this will bring us to the end of the video. It's 2 days later from the last clip that we took, but we went out yesterday, so I'm gonna add like little videos right now.
Know that, not even with your friend, you ain't even had man lying on you. Know that, got me a bag for the brick.
I want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Again, shop with Elva Hair. The link will be in the description box down below. 10 out of 10, period. And yeah, y'all definitely should go buy y'all wigs for them. And all my other videos will be in the description box down below. See y'all in the next one.